Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Well, yeah, see, oh, that's good, because you can see,
In
sometimes these grommets, they come out, and when they come out, they leave an oversized hole, so you re-grommet that, and then you can just attach the hinge rebated bit straight into it. Because they didn't break, this is just a quick...
This is a hinge break, not a...
A hinge break, yeah, not a blowout or... Actually, I can't see. It's got to go...
Got the ladder or what?
I'm going to do it here, just because I can't see anymore.
Yep.
Grab this.
And for our subscribers that watch us, yes, this is another kitchen. It's not one of the other ones that you've seen. Show you them.
Oh shit. And everything. What I'm going to do, this kitchen is caboodle. The carcasses are caboodle, the doors are caboodle, the hinges are caboodle. I'm going to reuse the old mating plate, the old catch block. So I'm just going to take these ones off, clip this off, click, and push this button in here, click. And these are the same as these, just look side by side these, so you know they're exactly the same. So, and then I should just be able to clip the old door on, and then we'll have to fix the toilet. That goes in there first, and click, and click. This goes in there first, click.
Do you need the ladder?
Click,
No.
click.
Boom.
First job for the day done.